Giesen Profiler – How to roast. Now that you've connected your roaster to the profiler, it's time to get to know the program. At the top of the screen, you will see all the data you need while roasting: the air temperature, the bean temperature, rate of rise, the power, drum speed, and drum pressure. At the left, there is the menu you use when you want to record or load a profile. To begin a roast, all you have to do is press record and give your roast a name. Choose if you want to roast with a delay or start immediately. Roasting with a delay helps you if you're roasting alone and have to get to the roaster to release the beans into the drum. If you want to change the air temperature from your laptop or tablet, all you have to do is press the blue circle and choose the temperature change. You can change the temperature by 1 degree or by 5 or 10 degrees. You will see a green update at the bottom of your screen letting you know there has been an update. If I want to change the temperature from the PLC, you will also see the same green update and the air set point will adjust. The pink circle shows what the actual bean temperature at that moment is. The value is not adjustable. The ROR shows the speed at which the temperature of your beans is increasing or decreasing. This is measured over a period of 30 seconds. This value is also not adjustable. The green circle represents the percentage of power the roaster uses to get to the air set point. You can set the power to automatic at a certain percentage or off. Drum speed is the speed at which the drum inside the roaster rotates. Drum speed is often expressed by Hertz or RPM. The drum speed and drum pressure are adjustable in the same way as the air temperature. The drum pressure is the airflow in the drum and is expressed in Pascal. The drum speed and drum pressure are adjustable in the same way as the air temperature. If you hover over the graph, you will see all the values of that moment. At the bottom of the graph, there is the legend. You can see what color means what value. If you click on one of the circles, you will hide the value from the graph. Now we will fast forward to the first crack. Now I believe it is almost time for the first crack. If you've detected it, click the button that says Crack. A label will appear in the graph with FC and the time you clicked. If you've clicked too soon or want to change the position of the crack, you can click and drag it to the correct time. Maybe you've seen that once we clicked on the first crack, the development time and a percentage appeared above the graph. The development time is the percentage of your total profile length measured from the first crack. Now we will fast forward to the end of the profile. When it's time to release the beans into your cooling sieve and turn on the stirrer and the cooling function. Release the beans and press stop. Give your roast a name. Press save. Now you've saved your first profile. If you want to export your roast, press Export. Choose if you want a PDF or a CSV format. Name your export and press Export. Choose your location and press Save. Open the file. Now you will see the information you filled in earlier and an exported graph of your roast. If you scroll down, you will see all the data per 30 seconds. The other table displays all the data whenever you've made a set point change, a first crack happened, or when you've stopped roasting. Below this, you can find all the notes you've written during the roast, and that is how you record and export a profile. Now we will navigate to the profile you've just recorded. Open the Giesen Profiler again. Click on the menu icon. From here, you can navigate to different pages of the software. Click on Profiles. Here, you can manage and edit all your created and recorded profiles. You will see a list of all your profiles. You will see the profile title, how many triggers there are in that profile, what triggers are I will explain in the next tutorial, the date the profile was created, who it was created by, and the options to edit or delete the profile. I will explain how to edit a profile in another tutorial. Every roast you will make with that profile will also be saved. Click at the menu again and navigate to Roasts. At Roasts, you find a history of all the different roasts you've played. You can see the roast title, bean type, roast duration, linked profile, what type of roaster you've used, the date, and who created the roast. You can view and delete a roast. If you click View, you can see a roast preview. At the left, you can find the roast details, and at the right you will see the graph. If you click on one of the circles, you will not be exporting these to a PDF. If you click on Export, you will export the roast to a PDF file. If we navigate to Settings, there are a few options you can change. First, you can switch between different types of roasters. If you click on Edit, you will see the same screen you filled in at the beginning. If you want to switch, follow the same instructions of our previous tutorial, connecting to the Giesen Profiler. You can turn the gradients from the dashboard on and off. You can keep track of the offset. Change the delay before actually recording a profile after you've pressed record. Choose if you want to display the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. At the chart settings, you can choose the values of the vertical and horizontal axis. Also, change your language if you want. Thank you for watching this video on how to roast. Happy roasting!